Next question was from John with the Google UL shortener, excuse me, sunsetting. Do you have any alternatives? No, other than I just use, there's two types of redirect shorteners that I use. I've talked about this many, many times. For TreeCare HQ, I have one that's tchq.link. And all that is a WordPress installation with Pretty Links Pro as a WordPress plugin that creates short links on that domain, which is, I use that for all TreeCare HQ link shorteners. For SM Short Link, we have smshort.link. Yeah, I don't want to go to, sorry, this one. I'm going to go to the, which is funny. If you go visit this if you're not logged in, and so this is it. It's Pretty Links Pro right here is what I use, Pretty Links Pro. So we create all of our short links on these so that you can have your own custom domain. You could do it with some other link shorteners too, but I love that. Keep scrolling, motherfucker. But anyways, SM Short Link for anything that's not an actual redirect URL, it just redirects to here. But you see SM Short Link, I have tchq.link, whatever. So Pretty Links Pro is a WordPress plugin. That's something that I like to do because then you build authority to your own domain. But another one that you could do as you build links to shorten to links, I mean, another one is I use Sniply. So this is the other service that I use. And I do that for like QR codes and stuff like that. But that's it. They're a dime a dozen, man. You can go to AppSumo. Just be careful buying link shorteners from AppSumo, because what happens is if the company goes out of business, which happens fairly often, then all your link shorteners are going to be outdated and broken. Ask me how I know. So don't do that. If you're going to be using one of these types of services instead of a WordPress plugin, make sure you're subscribing to a service that has a monthly fee or an annual fee so that you know that it's going to be continue to be supported. The lifetime deals for link shorteners are bad news. Don't do it, because at some point, if the company goes out of business, which is likely, you're going to lose all those short links. So I would encourage you, don't do that. And again, ask me how I know. So